everybody, and I'm Zavi Trysin. I'm Vice President at Stratasys, heading the material business and the design. And it's my pleasure and honor to welcome you today to Stratasys 3D Fashion World and Design. Mr. Lorenzo was the one that saw the future a couple of years ahead when he saw the technology and decided to open the market to Stratasys technology and its product line. Today, Stratasys would like to express the gratitude to you and your team. Mr. Lorenzo is Technology Ambassador, R&D Head Director of the House by Dyloan. And on behalf of Stratasys, I look forward to continued collaboration and partnership, because there's nothing like true partnership, which is win-win and brings so much joy to people, to us, to the industry. And to all of you, thank you so much for joining us today. Have a wonderful evening and a memorable one.